In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning vertical video for IGTV using Kapwing. Let's dive right in and get started with this easy-to-follow process. First things first, open your web browser and head over to kapwing.com. Once you're on their homepage, look for the option to create a new project. This could be a button that says Create New or something similar. You'll want to click on that to get started on your video masterpiece. Kapwing is a great online platform for video editing because it's user-friendly and doesn't require any complicated downloads or installations. Now that you've got your new project open, let's focus on setting up the canvas. Look for the section labeled Canvas or Output Size. This is where you'll adjust the dimensions of your video to suit IGTV's requirements. For IGTV, you need the 9:16 vertical size. This aspect ratio is ideal because it's specially designed for mobile viewing and vertical orientation, which is how most people engage with IGTV content. Select the 9:16 option, and you're all set to work with the perfect canvas size. Next, it's time to add your video to the project. With the right canvas size, you'll want to make sure that your content shines within this format. After you've uploaded your video, take a moment to adjust or resize it within the frame. You can do this by dragging the corners of the video on the canvas until it fits just right. Aim for a balance where your video fills the space well without cropping out any essential content. This step may take a bit of trial and error, but remember, you want the most important parts of your video to remain in focus and visually appealing. Once you're happy with how your video fits into the vertical frame, it's time to finalize the project. Look towards the top of the screen and you should find an option to export your project. Click on it when you're satisfied with all your adjustments and edits. This will start the exporting process, during which Kapwing will compile your video into a neat and tidy file that you can easily upload to IGTV. And there you have it. You've successfully created a vertical video for IGTV using Kapwing. It's straightforward and doesn't require any advanced editing skills, making it accessible for everyone. With these steps, you're now ready to share engaging content with your audience in the ideal format for IGTV. Thanks for tuning in, and happy video creating.